Hey folks, JD here, and today we have got these lovely 3 packages. I was expecting a few more, unfortunately they haven't arrived yet, so this will have to do. So as always, with all the retro mailbag unboxings, I've slit open the tops. I haven't looked to see what's in them. I reversed them to cover the addresses. So let's start with this one. All right then, let's get going. PlayStation 4, by look of it. Bim. Yes, there we go. Terminator Resistance. I will literally argue the toss with anybody when it comes to Terminator Resistance. This game is absolutely fantastic. Teon really did the franchise, word I've forgotten, justice. And likewise, they're doing the RoboCop game, which isn't out at the time of me making this video. But again, it still looks as if they've done that justice as well. I'm really excited. I've got this in digital download. Now I've got it in physical. This is the Spanish release, but it is audio and text is in English, so I'm happy. The DVD is rocking around a bit, so I might have to do a little bit of a click and see if I can get that in there, because I don't want to open it because it is PlayStation 4 factory sealed. Lovely. Really happy with that. And, oh, great. I forgot I ordered this. Pokemon Scarlet. Amazing. I haven't played Scarlet. I totally forgot it came out. And then I bought Arceus a couple of months back and thought to myself, yeah, do you know what? I should buy this. I saw it advertised at the same time. And I absolutely love Psyduck. So, yeah, why not? Let's get it. I love the open world games. Arceus or Arceus, whatever. And this. Never played this one. Can't wait. I really love the whole open world affair that they did with it. Really good. Last one for today. Ooh, this must have to be Destiny. Yeah, there we go. So I'm trying to understand why my friend likes this game. I've put a couple of videos up on this channel on Destiny. I just really don't see the appeal. It's Halo, but Halo is better. So, you know, yeah, anyway. I love Bungie. I want to give it another try. I bought this for £3 as an open box. So, do you know what? I'm willing to give it another shot. Why not? At least it might stop him from going on about how great he thinks the game is. There we go. All right then, my friends. Well, please join me tomorrow when we're going to have even more videos. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy gaming.